In this training, you will learn the basics of coding and design to create a mobile app using AppLab. Learning to code and design a mobile app is a basic skill that you should master as an instructional support specialist. Why you should learn to create an app using AppLab. Mobile apps are one of the most effective ways to deliver information to users, as they can access information from their mobile devices. According to the UCAR study, 96% of students owned at least one or two prominent smartphone devices. AppLab provides a web user interface that is used to design a mobile app and code the app using JavaScript, the programming language of the web. Upon completion of this training, you will learn how to apply basic coding skills to create a mobile app, how to design a mobile app interface, programming using JavaScript. This training will be based on the student-centered approach. Student-centered learning, also known as learner-centered education, broadly encompasses methods of teaching that shift the focus of instruction from the teacher to the student. Student-centered learning aims to develop learner autonomy and independence, giving them absolute control of their learning. It requires students to be active, responsible participants in their own learning and with their own pace of learning. Learners will be asked to participate in an Introduction to AppLab's activity, where they will learn the basics for developing and design an app using AppLab. Collaboration will be key in this activity. Once they get familiar with the basics, then the learner will complete several practice exercises that are self-paced, giving the learner control of their learning process and the flexibility of advancing at their own pace. Based on the learner's level of programming and experience, they may choose to complete more complex hands-on practice exercises at code.org/applab. Learners will be assessed by completing different design and programming challenges, and sharing their apps with other students. The learner should provide feedback to other learners and advise them on how to improve their apps. Each participant will be active and participate in the training. The instructor will simply guide the activities, and provide feedback when needed. It's been scientifically proven that learners find it harder to memorize information by sitting and listening, compared to being involved in practical tasks. In the student-centered learning approach, you will receive feedback from other learners and from your instructor. Learners will be grading themselves and learn how to improve their own work. Upon completion of this training, the learner will be awarded with a certificate of completion to demonstrate they have mastered the app development skill. Learners will be encouraged to keep practicing their coding skills to further their learning. Student-centered learning promotes the development of skills that position students to become lifelong learners. In conclusion, in this training you will learn how to create a basic app using AppLab. This training is designed using the student-centered learning approach. This means that participants will be active in their own learning. In this approach, learners will make decisions about what, how, and when they will learn. Learners will construct new knowledge and skills by building on current experience. They will need to understand the expectations and be encouraged to use self-assessment and provide feedback to others. Learners will work in collaboration with other learners, and produce work that demonstrates authentic learning, rather than memorization.